Alright, for question 36, it's another word problem, but the system is given. It says using Kirchhoff's law, it can be shown that the currents I sub 1, I sub 2, and I sub 3, they pass through the three branches of the circuit in the figure, satisfy the given linear system. Solve the system to find I sub 1, I sub 2, and I sub 3. So when you look at this system, it's 3 by 3 in terms of its variables, so we have to get it down to a 2 by 2. But two of the given equations only have two variables. Pick which one you want to be the first equation in your new system. So we'll just use this bottom one. So we have 8 I sub 2 plus 4 I sub 3 equals 5. So that means we need to take a combination of these two, and we need to get rid of I sub 1 just as we have no I sub 1 here in this equation. So we'll multiply this by a negative 16. When we add these together, these cancel out. This gives us a negative 24 I sub 2, and this is plus 16 I sub 3 equals 4. Alright, so then what we're going to do, we'll multiply the top equation then. Multiply the top equation by negative 4. So what we get is a negative 32 I sub 2 minus 16 I sub 3 equals a negative 20. Here this stays I sub 2 plus 16 I sub 3 equals 4. Alright, and so when we combine these, we get a negative 56 I sub 2 equals a negative 16. So when we divide by a negative 56 I sub 2, 8 goes in here twice, 8 goes in here 7 times. So what we get is that I sub 2 is equal to 2/7. So we'll just plug that in right here because this is acceptable. We'll say 8 times 2/7 plus 4 times I sub 3 is equal to 5. So 16/7 plus 4 I sub 3 is equal to 5. We need to subtract 16/7. So 4 I sub 3 is equal to, that's 35/7. So what is that? 19/7. Divide both sides by 4, and I sub 3 equals 19/28, and that's correct. And that's correct. So the last thing we need to do is we need to find I sub 1. I'm going to use the original, the middle equation from the original system. 16 I sub 1 minus 8 times 2/7 is equal to 4. 16 I sub 1 minus 16/7 equals 4. Add 16/7 to both sides. 16 I sub 1 equals 4. It's going to be 28. 28, 38. I don't know. Hopefully that math is right there. We divide by 16, and I sub 1 is equal to 44. Let's see, 70 times 42 is 112. 11 over 18, I believe. Not 18. It should be 28. 11 over 28. There we go. And I believe that to be the correct answer. You can double check that one with what's in the back of your book, possibly. But that's it. So that's how you solve question 36 from the Advanced Pre-Calc homework.